Hi, this is Kurt from Easy Exit. We have covered the convenience issues of the Easy Exit electric push button door release. You can get out in the middle of the night, you can get out without having to climb out over your partner, you can get into the bed without having to go around to the front. But what we haven't really talked about is the safety issues that are inherent when you put a platform bed in your van and frankly no longer have access to the mechanical Mercedes door release on the van. Most platform beds are up about 32 inches. That means that the reach down from the bed to the original latch point is over 20 inches, and the latch pulls to the left and right rather than up and down, which means unless you're really a contortionist, you are not going to be able to work that latch. That's a real problem, especially if there is a problem and you're unable to get out of your van from the front. This is the way that you're able to safely and rapidly get out of the van. The other thing I would just point out to you is with the button, we locate in our van, we locate it on the B pillar, but we've got friends who've located the button up on the top of the door, or you can locate the button pretty much any place that you'd like that's convenient for you, but please think about trying to make your van so that all the doors are functional at all times. Anyway, Kurt, Easy Exit. Go to our website, easy-exit.com. Thanks.